This one isn't a touchscreen. Oh, look at that though.
That's big. That's huge.
Yeah, that's just below us. Well, that's probably from the Burley too. Probably bringing all the little ones. I was actually thinking about getting sabiki. Try and get some of those, and then go around a little bit.
You get 23 foot.
That's what it says, but
Not very.
didn't seem that deep when I. Seems like about 15, maybe 20 at the most to me. It's pretty flat, unless it's just because it's angled now, because the boat, the bow at the back is down a little bit. Because I'm on the bottom right here. If I had the colored line, I'd be able to tell exactly the depth, you know. Anyway, if this isn't working too good, we can always move a little bit.
Just wait.
Yeah, we can just.
That's all we can do at the moment.
Yeah. Because I was actually thinking about going right over to like by the Snake Bank and that.
Yeah, we can move.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's give it a little bit.
You see all the people here. Every time ships of people here. Because we are middle of the tide.
Yeah.
From low tide to going to high tide.
Yeah, well then,
That's why probably a bit quiet.
then we need to start fishing the channels. Oh, there's some at the bottom.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna.
I just looking some whale in the what's that what's fishing place there in
Hunting and fishing.
no in BP
Oh, okay.
on the way to Whangarei.
Oh yeah, Top Catch or something.
Yeah,
like
Top
that?
Catch.
Yeah.
I'm looking the one that Donos.
Oh, okay.
It's still $3.99 over there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they'll charge you more. They'll charge whatever they think they can get. Yeah,
And that guy told me, go for it, go for it. I already got one.
Yeah.
I didn't say I already got one for those. But yeah,
that's all good. I use these micro jigging. They're so light. This is when I was on that charter. This is how they were catching all the fish, because they could see just the little nibbles.
actually this one is quite a bit hard.
Yeah. So this one, I'm bouncing right off the bottom right now. Yeah, we can see the map and see if we can go somewhere else. Does have an amount up front somewhere. I haven't really decided yet.
Maybe at the top.
Yeah, I do have a rail.
Oh no, it's
thing.
probably
Yeah. I think only on the door though, but then I gotta watch how it hits that up
Yeah.
there. So I don't know. I haven't really decided. Yeah. On my sailboat, I had a rail on the side, and I connected it to the rail, so it went off. So it didn't actually really get in the way of anything. I'm just thinking that might be too big a bait. If these are small fish, I might switch to like small, have a bunch of small pieces of.
I got anchovy there too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I get anchovy. Just really small pieces. Because I was just using. I bought like 20 kilos of that blue mackerel. And so it's been in the freezer. That's another thing Donna's been trying to get me to go. So if we do if I ever do a trip out to the Hens and Chicks, I'm just gonna take like 6 kilos of freaking mackerel. You know what I mean?
I thought you go with I thought Bruce is gonna go.
No,
He changed his mind.
Yeah, he did change. Well, the weather changed. The weather was supposed to be Saturday, Sunday. Then it switched to Monday, Tuesday.
Oh no.
Now it might be Sunday only. But I don't know yet. I've got to see. I'm not sure what he's doing yet.
Because that time, okay, when lucky I haven't talked to my mate yet.
Yeah.
I changed my okay. I just gonna say, can we do it next week?
Well, the next time we'll know we can drop this in like morning time. I'd rather do it like even change the light on the morning and be back around lunchtime or a little after, because that way you're not fighting the dark.
was a good one too.
Yeah.
Before dark or early morning.
Yeah, because that's what I mean, I need to flush out the engine and clear out a bunch of stuff. A lot of the cleaning I can do tomorrow, but
She have to do.
with the flushing the engine, I need to do that right away and wash down
Yeah, trailer.
the trailer and the car. Yeah. I haven't even really got any bites. Did you get any bites, Jim? Anything? A little bit? Yeah, take a look. I've got those big freaking squid on there. I think for the stuff we're going after.
No, not even bite.
Anyway, we got heaps of burley out, so hopefully we get some action. Oh, I could see my line going up on the fish finder.
Yeah, me too. That's the one.
That's funny. Yeah, this seems really shallow though. I'm kind of considering we move somewhere just a little bit deeper.
Yeah, meron po.
First one? Oh, you gotta turn, hey Bian, see the knob? Turn it at the top a little bit, because you store it without the, yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Oh, they took it. Using the squid? You got eaten.
Get it and using squid.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. I've got one of them.
Gotta be soon.
Yeah, I think while I'm waiting.
At least you try your boat today.
Yeah, that was the main thing. I got it going. I would have had it going earlier, but the freaking battery was giving me problems, so I didn't really realize.
I think I'm gonna do a raptor.
Yeah, that's what I want to set this up with. I just want some new long line hooks. That's what I was using on a couple charters, and I really like them. So I bought 3 different sizes.
This one, I think. This one,
Yeah. This is the stuff I use for the kayak. Yeah, we'll see how it goes a little bit. I think we should have tried to get a bit closer to that buoy. But I don't know, see when it changes, when the tide changes, it might have taken us a bit closer than comfort to the buoy as well. These hooks are still from Saipan. It's so funny. Like, so much that's from Saipan, the hooks from Saipan, my boat flushing kit is from Saipan. I have this huge box of stuff. But this is